Hello guys, good morning. Actually, this car is a Range Rover Sport. The problem of this car is the water and the oil is mixing together and make the car to turn to milk. As you can see, this is the coolant sensor. That's coolant, water coolant that help to regulate the engine temperature. So this, when one of these coolant spoil, it will now send the water direct inside the engine and mix with the engine oil, and everything now will now turn to milk. So look at, you can see, look at the coolant. So everything has turned to milk. Look at the oil. So what we need to do now, look at, and this how the oil is looking like. It's milk, thick milk. look at the oil. Look at, everything has turned to milk. So this is a problem. Check out. Maybe if you have encountered this problem before, sorry. And this is a new part. Want to fix the new part now. This is a new coolant sensor, water coolant. So we want to fix the new part now. The thing we just need to know is just to remove the coolant itself. This is the location of the oil filter, yes, and the water cooler. This is the location. It's under the engine pulley. Yeah, as you can see. So this is the location. We have 3 bolts there. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3 bolts. Just tighten and put and 2 holes. We have finished the new one. This is a new one. It's a new coolant. But why this coolant is leaking is that when the coolant itself spoil, this thing is like a kind of a dryer condenser. So the cell inside will weak. So it will now send water to the one that because this thing is doing 2 things. Number 1, help to regulate the engine coolant. See this oil filter. This is the oil filter unit. And I'll take the oil direct to the engine. So that the engine will now turn to the oil will mix and now turn to milk. So if you have any challenge like this in their engine, not just Range Rover, it happen in so many engines. It happen, in fact, some even in the gear. If you have this thing in gear, this coolant in gear 2, it will see affect. But when this thing spoil, it will send water direct to gearbox or engine. So that is it. So you need to take note. It's not only in Range Rover Sport only, can happen to any car. Any car that have coolant, say coolant regulator, water coolant, this thing will happen to. The one the thing spoil will now send water to either engine. If the one in the gear, will send water to gearbox. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to replace this unit. when you once you replace the unit, you need to buy oil. Either you use the oil that is not good, that is the one that they remove from the oil that is not good. Maybe somebody have changed do servicing, and what you need to do, you don't need to spend too much money. You need to use the old oil and put it and flush like 2 times. Like why this one is engine, you will use the old filter and tight and start the motor and flush the whole system like 2 times before you put a new oil. And when you drive the motor like 2 weeks time, you buy another fresh oil, or 1 month you buy another fresh oil and put, so that your engine will be safely, and also your engine will not the piston itself or your gearbox fiber will not corrode. So that is the function, and this thing do a lot of things. Number one, help to stimulate and also regulate the engine temperature itself. So that is the function of this water coolant. So if you find this video, you can like and share.